When growing seeds, there's a number of different ways you can sow them, and now that we're in the middle of spring, the soil is warm enough. Most vegetable seedlings will only germinate with a soil temperature of 18 degrees. So I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can sow your seeds so you can get an abundance of rewards. Having good soil texture and structure is a key step to successful sowing. Adding compost or aged animal manures to the soil can do wonders. It will improve the soil texture, structure, and it will put organic material back into the soil. So you'll be left with this wonderfully fluffy soil. It will also encourage the soil to retain moisture during the hotter weather. Now that the soil has been cultivated, you're ready to start sowing. This is the Mr. Fothergill's paper seed tapes, which are biodegradable, and they're extremely easy and practical to use, so they'll suit any garden skill level. All you have to do is separate the strips, roll them out, and put them into your pre-prepared row like this one. I'm using a garden hoe to make the rows. Then lay them into the row and cover with a light dusting of soil. Give the soil a misting of water and the seeds will germinate within 7 to 14 days. It's super easy. This roll and grow is another great option for quick seed application. It's a biodegradable mat which is 2 meters long by 50 centimeters wide, and the seeds are spaced evenly on the mat in neat rows with their names printed next to it, so you'll know exactly what you're going to be growing in the patch. The first step is to rake the soil and remove any larger stones. Then lay the mat down and cover it over with some soil and water your seeds in to get them growing. If you have a smaller garden bed, you can cut the mat to customise it to best fit your garden. If you prefer to grow your seeds in pots instead of the ground firstly, you can try something like this. This is the Mr. Fothergill's seed mats. Now they're really good because all you have to do is fill your pot with seed raising mix, then take this and pop it on top, and then you want to press down gently and then pop more soil on top, give it a drink, and then keep it in a nice warm sunny position in the garden or in a greenhouse. These seed mats come in 2 sizes. This is the 45 by 45 centimetre, or you can use the 8 centimetre round discs. These also work great in a raised garden bed, or you can even use them in a larger container. Growing seeds doesn't have to be hard, and it's a great way to get the kids out into the garden. Or if you're wanting to start growing fresh produce or flowers for the first time, you can find the full range of the Mr. Fothergill's garden products at your local garden retailers.